welcome to my video making sushi rice. Yummy in your tummy when you eat it.
Okay.
What ingredients do we need?
We need Japanese rice.
Yay!
And what else we need?
Water.
Water, okay, water. And?
And we need this.
What is this?
A pot.
A pot, a rice cooker?
Yeah.
Okay, this rice cooker, we have the function sushi rice.
It says sushi rice.
Yeah. So then we start cooking.
Yay! But we need to take this.
Okay, make 4 cups.
1.
Make 4.
2.
Okay. Full and flat.
3.
Okay. Good.
3.
One more.
1 more, that's it.
Put more. A little bit more. Okay.
And 4.
And 4. Yeah, that's called short grain rice.
Short.
It's the best sushi
Very
rice.
short, right?
Yeah, very short. Okay, now we put
Water.
water. Okay, stop it. Now we start cleaning the rice. Did you see the cloudy?
Yeah, cloud sticky
The
rice.
cloudy, milky?
It's sticky.
Because the rice is have start come with when the
Look, sticks. It sticks to
okay,
us.
and rinse
Very sticky.
and rinse. Okay, now we wrap the rice. But be gently, wrapping gently.
Wow, it's so icky on me. That's how we
Okay.
need to cook, right, Daddy?
Yes, and then we do this like 3 times. We keep repeat it 3 times. Okay.
Okay, so icky.
Okay.
Wow, icky.
Now we rinse more. You know, if you don't have sushi rice, what you gonna get rice?
No, it's nowhere.
You can get medium grain rice.
What?
They sell in Publix.
Well, 7 Publix.
Okay. Now we have to wrap rice a little bit more.
Again. Like 3 times.
Like 3 times.
This is the second time.
Okay. You see the cloudy?
The last cloud.
Yeah. Getting better, right?
Very better.
Okay.
It's not.
Rice is already very clean. That's why the cloudy is less. So we're gonna make one more time.
No.
Okay. Wrap.
Everything.
We do gently because we're gonna clean up the rice. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we
Focus.
put water.
Here.
Okay. Okay. That's enough.
You.
Okay. Rinse this.
No, don't go.
It's okay. Okay. Okay, now no more rock. No more. It's done.
No more rubbing?
Yeah. Okay, let's check water. Check water on how many cups we cook?
We need 4.
Okay, we need 4. Okay. That is 4.
Super wet.
Super wet. Wet it. We have to wipe it off.
Yeah. Because
Yes.
it's too wet.
Yeah. Okay. Plug it in.
And then,
Then-
when we do the ding,
Then we choose the function with the sushi rice.
yeah.
This is 60 minutes.
Ooh.
So we have time to prepare the rice vinegar for make with sushi.
Yeah.
Make with the rice. Okay, let's see what the ingredient what we have. Okay, this is we're gonna have mirin, salt, sugar, rice vinegar.
Yay!
And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yeah, and this one they
What
call
is it?
dry seaweed or they call gumbo.
Gumbo.
Uh-huh.
Gumbo. Yay, gumbo.
Okay.
Yes, gumbo. Hooray! We need this.
We need to mix with this.
This. What is this called?
We call whisk.
Whisk?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
So we need 2 cups of rice vinegar.
2 cups of rice vinegar.
Okay, this one rice vinegar. Okay.
Rice vinegar? I didn't know
Yes.
that was rice vinegar.
Mhm. So we need 2 cups.
1 cup.
Yeah. 1 cup.
Oh, this 1 cup?
Yes. Oh. And make 1 more cup.
Too much.
Okay, 1 more cup.
Ah.
Oh, you know
What?
something?
Yeah.
Normally we need sugar first.
Sugar.
Because
Sugar.
because when you put liquid in here,
Smell.
the sugar gonna stick in there.
It's smelly, Daddy. Smelly.
Yeah, smell rice vinegar. So we need 1 cup of sugar.
1 cup of sugar. Only 1.
Only 1.
That's it.
This is mirin.
Urine.
We need mirin is the sweet. 2 cup. Okay.
1.
Okay. This is sweet cooking rice seasoning. 2.
You need a second one?
Yeah. Now.
What else? Salt. We forgot salt.
Yeah. 1 tablespoon of salt.
It smells like a spoon.
1 tablespoon salt.
Tablespoon? I didn't know that. This is tablespoon.
This is tablespoon.
It smells.
1 tablespoon of salt.
Only 1.
Only 1. Okay.
Put in.
And then mix it.
I'll mix it.
Mix it. Mix it. Mix until no sugar in there.
Now it's your turn. You can do it all.
Until all the sugar melt.
I'll look under.
We make until the sugar melt.
I don't see any sugar. Well, it smells a lot. It's just like waste. Bubbly waste. It makes noises.
Okay, let's see. Where the sugar?
No.
You don't see it, right?
No.
Okay. And then we're gonna put gumbo.
Gumbo.
This is dry
Gumbo.
seaweed.
Gumbo.
Okay.
Why is it white? Normal.
This is normal because they come from the ocean.
Oh shit!
So when it get dry, they have some like that. Okay. So we cut.
I'm cutting it with my scissors.
Yeah, we cut it. And you know how we clean?
brush.
Yeah, we clean like that. We brush it.
Brush
Okay.
everything. Using that when I was baby.
Okay.
Nana, you use
And
that
then just
when-
soak in there. Just put in there. Yes. Just leave like that. Now we're waiting for rice.
When is the rice? I want to taste it. I can't wait to taste sushi.
So we need the bowl. This bowl to put rice, okay?
Okay.
And mix with the rice vinegar that we have.
Pour it in
We put the rice in here.
and then pour this.
Yes.
The rice is ready now, Dada. Let's just take that off.
It's hot. Be careful. They have the steaming. Okay. It's hot. Okay.
Too hot.
Wow,
Yes.
it come out so nice.
Smells good.
Hot.
No, I'm hungry.
เดี๋ยวค่ะลูกเดี๋ยว we gonna put rice vinegar in sushi rice. Okay, we cook 4 cup of rice, so we gonna put 1 cup of rice vinegar. Okay, 1 cup.
Pour it in there.
Yes. Okay.
Is it hot? Hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Hotty, hotty. Let's see how you do it.
Mm-hmm. Be careful, it's hot. Look.
I know.
Okay. Now we're gonna mix. Okay. When we mix, we're gonna cut rice like that. Okay. We're gonna cutting rice. We're not gonna press the rice. Okay. Until vinegar is mixed well with rice. Okay, now I think everything is mixed. It's good. We're gonna use clean cloth. Squeeze it. It's moisture. So we're gonna cover rice. Clean this. Yeah, cover rice until rice is cool down. Until you can touch rice, so you can eat.
I want to touch right now.
Okay.
Daddy, is it ready?
Yeah, you're ready.
I want orange thingy and avocado, please.
Okay.
Yay!
Let's get it. Let's see. We have fish egg.
Now. Yay! Fish egg, my favorite. It can make noises when I put it here. You hear it.
Okay.
This is avocado. Let's check avocado. Is that good?
good?
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, that color in there.
Yeah.
And now we try to cut.
Yay. You cannot touch knife.
Okay, you cannot touch knife.
Okay. Let's see how avocado look like. Wow.
We don't eat those.
Okay. You know how to take out this one?
I do not.
Oh, I show you how to take it out. Use this. Okay. Poke it.
Okay.
And one more time. And squeeze. And twist.
You show me that.
Okay.
When I'm hungry.
Okay, now
I'm super hungry.
you cut it.
Cut it. Cut that piece off. And mash it.
One enough?
Egg.
Is enough? Or
One.
no?
Only one.
Only one? Okay.
That's
enough.
it?
One is enough.
2, please.
2? Okay.
2 na?
Okay. Are you hungry, Mother?
Yes.
I'm hungrier than you.
Okay, I'm gonna die for you, okay?
You can't touch a knife.
Yeah, knife is really sharp, okay. This egg.
On top
Okay.
of avocado.
Whatever you like. Okay, that's enough, I think.
Oh, you want more?
One more.
It's your favorite, right?
Yeah, I really want one more thing.
That's a lot. You sure you can finish it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Ah,
That's for you.
You see? This is how we can make it.
yay!
How many teaspoons? It's good. Very good.
Perfect rice?
Perfect. Everything's perfect. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
You really like it?
Yeah. Now we try the avocado.
Really good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye,
If
everyone.
you like it, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.
สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบาย
ไปแล้ว